आज हम सारा कुछ ही लेकर आ गए.
Sorry, मैं खाने लग गई.
That's the idea. आप खाएंगे बिंदास. So South Indian as well as Gujarati food, rice pongal, pineapple kesari, chettinad mushroom, malabari parotha, mini idlis, rava dosa, masala uttappa, mendu vada, rasam shots, Mysore masala dosa. And for Gujarati, of course, we have thepla. It's the summer season. We've got the amras, jalebi, fafda, dhokla, khandvi, and patra.
Whoa.
Yum.
So you like khandvi, no?
I love khandvi. I will eat that in a bit.
Yeah.
But first, true to my roots,
Yes.
I will have something called puri kya chal,
Yes.
which is a tamarind chutney which they've specially made for me.
Right. Yes. Please
So
go
I'm going to
ahead.
start with
Cheers.
this.
You like it?
I can't talk. You talk.
Okay, I'll
Sorry.
have thepla. I love theplas.
With amras.
Yeah, thepla with amras. And please have the patra. And have the jalebi.
मुझे लग रहा है मुझे ही खाना पड़ेगा सब कुछ. Looking at how much dieting you guys are doing.
I have some food intolerances, so I have to be very careful. If I could, I swear I would eat everything on this table right now.
But that's one of the things for actors, no? One very big sacrifice is you have to think about what you're eating and all of that, right?
Everyone's quite particular about keeping fit, so
Yeah.
even about exercise and things like that. But yes, our lifestyles are also quite
They're like
terrible.
12 hours of shoot schedule
Yeah.
plus travel.
Yeah.
So you end up working for almost 15-18 hours.
Right.
And most of the time during the shoot, we hardly get to sleep.
Yeah.
So if you're sleeping for almost 5 hours, 5.5 hours,
Yeah.
then there are a lot of things that you should not eat.
Yeah.
Also,
Otherwise, it creates a lot of acid.
no, but they're also talking about actors who work like that. There are actors who work in a more relaxed fashion also. These actors, they're doing so many things at the same time.
Yeah.
Touch wood, but he's the busiest actor I know.
Yeah.
And but
मतलब
I
बॉलीवुड
do
टेक
think-
ओवर कर लिया है इन्होंने.
Yeah, yeah,
शुरू
really.
किया एक ये क्या स्कैम चला रहे हो आप?
हाँ, exactly.
All the actors are out of job now. मतलब.
no, but I think it's because of the lifestyles we
Yeah.
lead, because of the stress, because of the pressures, because we're putting ourselves out there all the time. Food plays a big role in even the way we feel about ourselves.
Yeah.
So I think that's something that I've realized over time.
Yeah, and most of the time for the character, then there are a lot of physical changes that we have to do.
Yeah.
To look that particular character, sometimes you have to gain weight, sometimes you have to gain muscles,
Yeah.
sometimes you have to look malnourished
Yeah.
or underweight.
वो
The
हमसे
body
ना होगा।
constantly, body constantly.
वो हमसे ना होगा भाई।
नहीं पर ये जो मूवी आपने की थी जिसमें you had to put on weight, right?
हाँ,
The
dirty picture.
dirty
That's
picture के
easy.
लिए. That's easy. Like even for Harshad Mehta, you put on so much weight. I remember meeting you at
Yeah.
that point of time to meeting now when you're I think filming for Gandhi. और बीच में हुआ ये दो और दो प्यार. I saw the trailer.
Yeah.
It looks like so much fun. I mean, I've missed watching such movies, to be honest.
Oh, I'm so glad you say that because I've missed watching such films myself as an
Yeah.
audience.
Yeah.
And then, of course, as an actor, I think my last rom-com was in 2014, Shaadi Ke Side Effects.
Almost 10 years
Yeah,
ago.
Yeah,
and
10
I've
years.
barely been offered any rom-coms in these past 10 years and I've not seen any either. So
But there are
this is-
hardly any rom-coms
Yeah.
made.
Yeah.
And ये ऐसा genre है जो सबको बहुत पसंद है.
And rom-coms give you the scope to have so many lovely songs, yeah.
Yeah, and I love the Lucky Ali song.
Yeah, tu hai
He's doing
kahan?
it after like how many years in Bollywood, I think?
After
About
9 years, I believe.
It's a beautiful song.
And just his voice, na,
Yeah.
I
मतलब
love
the
it.
way he starts the song, you're bound to fall in love. ऐसा
Yeah.
है.
When I saw the trailer,
Yeah.
the pairing for me was like Pratik and Vidya together. I want to know what was your reaction, Pratik, when you got to know you're doing a rom-com with Vidya Balan.
I almost jumped out of my seat. Is it really? And then when I went for the narration, and story is brilliant.
Yeah.
It has unique situations between
Yeah.
couples, which
Yeah.
I had never seen,
On
never
screen,
read
yeah.
about on screen.
Yeah.
So I guess this was it. This I wanted to do, and this was the genre that I loved the most. But I never could. I mean, I had never
Yeah.
had an opportunity to work.
Yeah. आपका क्या reaction था? आपने scam देखा था?
Scam dekha tha, and soon after that they came and told me that we've spoken to Pratik for this, and I was like, that guy would be interested in something like this because he was superb actor. I loved him in Scam. Of course, now people have seen Margaon, but I kept thinking that, oh my God, when people watch this film, they'll see his range, because he's so funny in this film. But of course, you know, people have already gotten introduced to his funny bone in Madgaon, and now hopefully they'll see yet another.
Which was so
Installment.
unexpected. Even Madgaon was very funny, by the way. Very good movie.